No money, no problem. Launch your dream business with $0. Hey entrepreneurs, ever thought, I need money to start a business? Think again. That's old school thinking. We live in a digital age where hustle and resourcefulness beat out a fat wallet any day of the week. Today, I'm gonna break down how to launch your dream business with I repeat, zero budget. All you need are skills, hustle, and these game-changing strategies. So buckle up, because we're about to dive in. Monetize your skills, turn what you know into cash. Look, you don't need a fancy product or $1 million idea to start making money. You already have valuable skills whether you realize it or not. Everybody is good at something. Maybe you're a killer writer, a graphic design ninja, or a social media guru. Whatever your jam is, there are people out there willing to pay for it. That's right, I'm talking about freelancing. And before you say, Gary, I've heard it all before, hear me out. Freelancing isn't just about side hustles anymore. It's a legitimate way to build a real business. And the best part? You can start today with no upfront costs. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even Facebook Marketplace are teeming with potential clients looking for talented individuals like you. Don't be afraid to start small. Offer your services for a competitive price to build your portfolio and get those 5-star reviews rolling in. Pro tip, hit up your friends, family, and former colleagues. They already know and trust you, making them the perfect first clients. Offer them a special discount for spreading the word about your services. Word-of-mouth marketing is huge, especially when you're just starting out. Remember, the key here is to provide massive value. Over-deliver on your promises, wow your clients with your skills, and watch as those referrals start pouring in. Freelancing is all about building relationships and establishing a reputation for excellence. And don't forget, you can always scale up. As you gain experience and build a loyal clientele, you can raise your rates and even hire other freelancers to help you handle the workload. The sky's the limit. So what are you waiting for? Dust off that resume, polish up your online profiles, and get ready to monetize those skills. The world is your oyster, my friend. Dropshipping and reselling. Become an e-commerce boss without the inventory. All right, entrepreneurs, let's talk about another killer strategy for launching your business with $0 dropshipping and reselling. Now I know what you're thinking. Gary, isn't e-commerce expensive? Not necessarily, my friends. With dropshipping, you can sell products online without ever touching a single piece of inventory. Here's how it works. You partner with a supplier who handles all the storage and shipping for you. You create a beautiful online store, list the products, and when a customer places an order, the supplier ships it directly to their doorstep. It's that simple. Platforms like Shopify make it easier than ever to set up a professional-looking online store in minutes. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech whiz to do it. They have tons of templates and tutorials to guide you through the process. Now, if you're more of a treasure hunter, reselling might be your calling. Scour thrift stores, flea markets, and online marketplaces for hidden gems that you can resell for a profit. You'd be amazed at the incredible deals you can find if you know where to look. Platforms like eBay, Etsy, and even Instagram are perfect for showcasing your unique finds to a global audience. Take high-quality photos, write compelling descriptions, and watch as those sales start rolling in. And here's a pro tip: reinvest your profits. Use your earnings to source more inventory, expand your product line, or even hire virtual assistants to help you manage your growing business. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but consistent effort and smart reinvestment will get you there faster than you think. So whether you choose dropshipping or reselling, the world of e-commerce is your oyster. Embrace the hustle, find your niche, and get ready to build an empire, one sale at a time. Chapter 3. Turn knowledge into passive income, create and sell digital products. All right, entrepreneurs, let's talk about building a business that works for you 24/7, even while you sleep. I'm talking about creating and selling digital products. Think about it. You have a wealth of knowledge and experience that others would pay to learn. Why not package it into a digital product and sell it online? Ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos, printables, the possibilities are endless. And the best part, once you create it, it's yours to sell over and over again, generating passive income for years to come. Platforms like Gumroad and Payhip make it incredibly easy to sell your digital products directly to your audience. They handle all the payment processing and delivery, so you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. Now I know what you're thinking. Gary, I'm not an expert in anything. Wrong! Everyone has something valuable to share. Think about your passions, your hobbies, your unique skills. What problems can you solve for others? What knowledge can you share that would make their lives easier or better? Don't be afraid to niche down and target a specific audience. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to stand out from the crowd and attract your ideal customers. And here's a pro tip: Pre-sell your idea. Before you spend hours creating a product, gauge interest by creating a landing page and offering a pre-sale discount. This will not only validate your idea, but also give you some initial capital to invest back into your business. So, tap into that inner creativity, package your knowledge into valuable digital products, and watch as your passive income streams start flowing. Chapter 4. Leverage the power of social media. Build your audience and monetize for free. Listen up, entrepreneurs. In today's digital age, if you're not leveraging the power of social media, you're leaving money on the table. Social media is the great equalizer, allowing anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection to build a global audience and generate revenue. And the best part? It's completely free to get started. Choose the platforms where your target audience hangs out, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or LinkedIn, and start creating valuable content that educates, entertains, or inspires. Remember, content is king. The more value you provide, the more followers you'll attract, and the more opportunities you'll have to monetize your influence. One of the easiest ways to monetize your social media presence is through affiliate marketing. Partner with brands you love and recommend their products or services to your followers. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. Platforms like Amazon Associates make it incredibly easy to find products to promote and track your earnings. And the best part? You don't need a massive following to start making money with affiliate marketing. Even a small, engaged audience can generate significant income. But here's the key: be authentic. Don't promote products or services you don't believe in just to make a quick buck. Your audience can spot a phony a mile away. Focus on building genuine relationships, providing value, and recommending products that you genuinely believe in. So, what are you waiting for? Craft your social media strategy, create compelling content, and watch as your audience grows and your influence soars. Chapter 5. Unlocking Success. Pro tips to supercharge your $0 business. Alright, entrepreneurs, you've got the strategies. Now let's talk about some pro tips to take your $0 business to the next level. First up, embrace free tools. There are tons of incredible free resources available online that can help you with everything from design to accounting. Canva is a game changer for creating stunning graphics. Wave is a lifesaver for managing your finances, and Google Sheets is your new best friend for organizing your business. Next, validate your idea before you go all in. Don't be afraid to pre-sell your product or service to gauge interest and gather feedback. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo make it easier than ever to crowdfund your dream business and get your product in the hands of early adopters. Here's a big one. Master the art of bartering. Trade your skills and services with other entrepreneurs instead of exchanging cash. This is a fantastic way to access valuable resources and build mutually beneficial relationships without spending a dime. And finally, the most important tip of all, stay consistent. Building a successful business takes time, effort, and unwavering dedication. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep showing up, keep hustling, and never give up on your dreams. Remember, entrepreneurship is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the journey, celebrate the small wins, and never stop learning and growing. Boom! You don't need money to start, just creativity and grit. Remember, every billionaire, every Fortune 500 company, they all started with an idea and a whole lot of hustle. Now it's your turn. Which strategy will you try first? Drop shipping, freelancing, creating digital products? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, every big business started small. Don't underestimate the power of taking action, even if it's just one small step today. You got this.